In this video, you'll learn how to connect your Dsers account to Aliexpress and manage product imports in Shopify. Let's begin by narrowing the Shopify search to products, then enter a search term to quickly find Dsers-related items in your store. Next, switch to Dsers and use the left sidebar to open your import list so you can review products before adding them to your store. Open the push logs in Dsers to check the status or history of your product imports. On the Find Products page, add an item from Aliexpress to your import list. Then go to My Products to view recently imported products ready for publishing in Shopify. Select a product from your import list by checking its box and push it directly to your connected Shopify store, making it available for editing and sale. After syncing, open the product in Shopify for editing and update its description to optimize its details or match your store's style. Open the More Actions menu to access advanced Dsers options, allowing further edits or syncing between Dsers and Shopify as needed. You've successfully learned how to connect Dsers to Aliexpress and manage your Shopify products.